Okay, so here's another top-down view, or top-down tour, I should say, of a place that we've stayed. This is number 12, Calle Vismar, and this is our vacation home for the week. Very hilly street, very windy. This is our garage door, stepping down into the top area where we stayed. This is our vehicle. It's a Volvo. Not bad, but there's the view. It's Mount Teed. It's a volcano in the distance, 12,000 feet above sea level. This is how you come in. Just check this out. This is just an amazing view and place to stay. This is a three-terraced apartment house. We've got a trampoline that nobody have used yet, but enter through here. This is where you come in, coming down the stairs. It's a cool boat model right there. And we go down to the second level from the top. And this nice little set of stairs. This level has all the bedrooms. So you basically back this hallway. Hello. This is our bedroom. Has a balcony off of it. 4K TV in the room. Same view, of course. Ben and Danny and Drew have also entrances onto the same balcony. And we go down. Here's the bathroom. Big tub, bidet and toilet. Yeah, okay. Then go down to kind of the living area down here. And I left some of the original rock, which I think is cool. Little dining area here. And then this is kind of a living room. Kitchen, well lived in. Gonna clean that up before we go. This is the grocery store we've been shopping at, the Hyper Dino. There's a logo's little green dinosaur. And this is sort of the game room. We got another TV, couch, and pool table, which we've been getting a lot of use out of. Little bathroom and shower down here. There's a bathroom and shower off the girls' room as well. Here we are, just hanging out after dinner. Charcoal grill over here. Now let's go down to the lower level. Where the pool is. It's not very deep. Not supposed to go diving in it. It's only about 3 feet at the most. but yeah, I guess it was refreshing to at least have a place to jump in, cool off a little bit. It's only about 70 degrees. It's not like super hot, but it's nice. There's another view from down here. Got a neighbor up there. Neighbors down here. The waves are pretty calm right now, but they crash so loud it sounds like thunder or cannons going off sometimes when it goes off down there. But yeah, it's been a great place to stay, and we are leaving tomorrow for Reykjavik. But right now we got one more night here, and we'll move on. That is Villa Prismar house in Tacoronte, Tenerife.